guys, and welcome to 12 Days of Christmas Baking. And today we are making snickerdoodles. This is something that we had tried for the very first time at a Disney Very Merry Christmas party several years ago, and I've been making them since then. So let's get baking. Here are the ingredients that you will need for today's snickerdoodle cookies. You will need 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter, softened. Mine needs a little bit more softening. Then you will need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. This is what I used, and then baking soda and salt. You will need a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I will show you what you will need for coating. So before you get started on making the dough, you want to preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. So first we are going to cream our butter and sugar together. And I'm doing it between 2 and 4 speeds. I'm going to slow it down and add my egg and vanilla, and I'm going to mix it until smooth. You want to go in and just scrape the sides if need be. And now I'm going to add my baking soda, cream of tartar, and salt. Now slowly I'm going to add my flour. So I think I have a consistency of the dough that I'm looking for. Just going to mix it into a bowl. Now I'm going to mix a 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I've lined my baking sheet. I'm using my stone with parchment paper, and now I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons and roll. I'm actually going to measure it. I think this will be a good measure. I'm actually thinking that these might be a little too big. I'm going to do 3 like that, and then I'm gonna do the rest of them a little bit smaller. So now it's ready to go into the oven for 10 to 13 minutes. I'm going to start checking at about 10 minutes just to make sure that I don't overcook them. And I got 29 cookies here. So the cookies are done. I'm just letting them rest for about a minute or so on the cooking sheet. They're soft. And then I'm going to transfer them onto my wire rack to cool completely before I store them away. These turned out so delicious, and let's just say I'm going to have to make a second batch because they are all gone. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of the more cookie recipes that are coming your way. Thanks for watching.